looking at you, that's still fine. I don't mind people looking at me, because Indians have a tendency of looking at people awkwardly when they shoot with a camera and stuff like that, and I'm 100% sure like many of the YouTubers must have faced the same challenge. Lekin the only feeling what I get is I don't know, somehow people figure out that I don't stay in India anymore now. Not anymore, but I don't stay in India now. So I don't know how do they guess it out, but they guess out so good that even at the DHL office I was talking to a guy, and he said like, you know, oh, it seems like you don't stay in India, you stay outside. I said, why would you say like that? So he said that बस दिखता है, आपको देखकर दिखता है. Now I don't know what exactly they see in me. अगर कनाडा में रहो तो वो लोग बोलेंगे कि साला ये तो इंडिया है, अब यहाँ से रहो तो वो लोग बोलेंगे कि भाई तू बाहर से है. समझ नहीं आती करना क्या. What's up guys, I'm so sorry today I didn't got actually any time to shoot anything, and I even took a rest today because I had a couple of things to be sorted out. It was urgent, and not only that, few things I wanted to buy on the trip for my bike. So I kind of stopped in Jaipur itself. I didn't got actually a time to buy anything for the bike, for the reason why I was actually taking a halt over here. But hopefully now one of the important thing which I'm going to do right now, after completing that, hopefully I would be able to go and shop around a couple of the things for me. As I mentioned that yesterday I got a chance to meet with a guy who is from Jaipur, like he resides in Jaipur. He was actually coming from Bangalore, the guy who actually completed his 40,000 kilometer on his Dominar. So he actually guided me with some option which can help me to tie up my luggage on my bike. So probably I may plan to buy that stuff. Yeah, again I have to spend some money onto it, but certainly since my trip is yet still long, so I have to buy that thing. So right now I'm in Jaipur. I'm just finishing some of my work. I didn't got even a chance to look around with the Jaipur. I was planning so much, but absolutely I was a little bit tired. It was kind of a lazy day for me, I can say. I didn't want to do much because I was tired. I was riding really fast yesterday. I mean, yeah, we had to pace up a little bit just to cut around the time, which was not really a good option for me, but still I did that because I didn't want the other guy to be late. He actually mentioned that his mom knows that he's actually riding from Bangalore, so she was really anxious for him, and she was really worried for him. So she was actually waiting for him for dinner. I hope that she must have done her dinner, but he said in the end that she has not yet done her dinner. So we were kind of rushing a little bit in the end. I know it's, I mean, it's really not a good idea to do that, but he actually rode really fast. I would say like almost 120 kilometers around, like 110 to 120. He was on to it. which I feel like, you should actually not do in such a way, but each and every individual is different. So the way they approach towards riding is different than what you would do, right? But in the afternoon I went outside. It was super hot. I was not feeling really comfortable to ride along outside. I was thinking like after my work is done I can just roam around a bit. But I was not able to do that because I was super tired, and it was exhausting. It sweats a lot over here, so it's not humid but it's hot. Absolutely, after such a long duration of monsoon, it's going to be hot, certainly. Yeah, that's a really good guy who is honking around now. I don't understand, by honking, is it going to lower down the traffic? No, it's not. You just have to understand the situation, guys. If there's a traffic, there's a traffic. You can't do anything to it. So don't just honk. Yeah, you can honk just to warn people if you're pacing up, or if you're if you're really speeding up. You don't want anyone to come in middle, because people just jaywalk over here, I would say. So there is no crossway. There is crossway, but no one actually uses a crossway, which we call as a zebra crossing. No one uses that because no one cares. They just want to jaywalk. Jaywalking over here is not a crime. That means anyone can jaywalk anywhere. Even on highways, there are only certain couple of highways where you can't jaywalk. That guy just wanted to rush. That's it. You have to pay a lot of attention over here while riding. It's not something like, no one is going to come into your lane. That's just out of blue. That's going to happen for sure. Some or the other one is going to cross you up for sure. So you better pay attention while you're taking turn. That was close. No one cares after office. It's basically they are rushing after office. Everyone wants to go home and rest. Everyone wants to go home and rest and sleep. That's why everyone is rushing. So yeah, here we are, the Sunny Group Good Times Live.
Hey, what happened?
अंदर मैं आया हूँ मुंबई से, लेकिन अभी यहीं पे हूँ जयपुर में, तो यहीं से आया हूँ मैं। अपूर्व, ये देखो, ये है ना, यही डाल देना। हाँ ये तो दिया नहीं था मुझे सुबह यार। ठीक है, चलो ठीक है, यही लिख देना, यही नंबर है 20। पहले एग्जिट तो करने दे यार, निकल।
सिग्नेचर तो करके देना पड़ेगा, मैं टाइम डाल दूँगा, बाकी आउट टाइम बाद में डालूंगा, आप जाओगे।
ठीक है, चलो।
उधर से है ना?
कहाँ से ना?
मैं बैक साइड।
उसने तो मुझे यहाँ से छोड़ा था। चलो ठीक है, कहाँ पे? चलो बैक साइड। मैंने उसको पूछा कि भाई मुझे जाना है अंदर, तो और एक वो सुबह वाला बंदा होता है ना, दोपहर वाला, उसने मुझे यहीं से छोड़ दिया। मुझे तो
स्टाफ से मिले?
हाँ, एक बंदे से मिला, उसने मुझे पैसे भी बताए कितने लगेंगे। बस उसने मुझे बोला कि तू कस्टमर सर्विस से एक बार बात कर ले, शायद वो लोग अगर कुछ।
अभी क्या काम है, मतलब स्टाफ से मिलना है या?
नहीं, पैकेज भेजना है मुझे कुरियर करना है।
मैंने सोचा स्टाफ से मिलना है।
चलो कोई बात नहीं भाई, हो जाती है, नहीं हो जाती है, दैट्स फाइन।
मैं सोचा आप स्टाफ से मिलना होगा, आपके लिए भी आए?
नहीं, मैं पैकेज भेजना चाहता हूँ, मेरे पास थोड़े पेपर है, वो मुझे भेजने। तो ये रख लोगे? हाँ
इसीलिए आपको नहीं बोला।
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं। तो मैं जाऊँ यहाँ से?
हाँ सर, मैं बोल देता हूँ।
हाँ, उनको बुला लो भाई। DHL. So I had to send some package to Canada, so that's why I was over here in DHL office. So my work is done at DHL. The package has already been sent. Hopefully they will receive it by Friday. Sooner the better. Now I would be going to buy some bungee cords. The guy told me like I can go to Decathlon and I can have a look. I should actually see some shops over here as well. Probably I may get some. Last night the recording is, are really good. I mean the mic and the adapter is working really fine. It's only my helmet, I would say my Hamlet, it is not giving a good support because as I already mentioned, I have a really cheap helmet. Bought it in an case of emergency kind of stuff, so I'm just using the same thing. So the wind is actually gushing in, so I cannot actually record a really good sound when I'm pacing, like, you know, if you cross 60 km/h, yeah, it will not, the sound quality is not really good. So I'm planning, like, when I will be riding really fast, or if there is a really high wind gush, I will not speak a lot. It's basically I will just shoot, and I will use that footage to shoot the video. So at least आप लोग तो वीडियो देख सकते हो जहाँ पे भी मैं हॉल्ट लूँगा. मैंने अभी तक कोई वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग किया नहीं, ये रेड सिग्नल है और सब लोग निकलना चाहते थे, बट दैट्स गुड कि रेड सिग्नल हो गया है ग्रीन. अब हम जाएंगे यहाँ से क्लीन. आई डोंट नो, इट वाज जस्ट अ बैड ड्रीम राइम. सो दैट्स इट. या सो जहाँ जहाँ स्टॉप लूँगा वहाँ मैं वीडियो शूट करने की कोशिश करूँगा. मेरे पास एक्चुअली लगेज बहुत है, तो उसके वजह से मुझे ज़्यादा वीडियो शूट करने मिल नहीं रहा है बिकॉज आई एम ऑलरेडी एग्जॉस्टेड व्हेन आई एम टेकिंग स्टॉप्स. So I just want to sit down, relax, chill and have some food. I don't want to speak a lot because I am already exhausted in this riding. That doesn't mean that I will not shoot. I will shoot. I need some really good space area, you know, not too much of crowdy places. The only reason why I don't feel so comfortable in crowded places is people are constantly looking at you. Now, people are looking at you, that's still fine. I don't mind people looking at me because Indians have a tendency of looking at people awkwardly when they shoot with a camera and stuff like that, and I'm 100% sure like many of the YouTubers must have faced the same challenge. Lekin the only feeling what I get is I don't know, somehow people figure out that I don't stay in India anymore now. Not anymore, but I don't stay in India now. So I don't know how do they guess it out, but they guess out so good that even at the DHL office I was talking to a guy and he said like, you know, oh, it seems like you don't stay in India, you stay outside. I said, why would you say like that? So he said that बस दिखता है, आपको देखकर दिखता है. Now I don't know what exactly they see in me. अगर कनाडा में रहो तो वो लोग बोलेंगे कि साला ये तो इंडिया से आया, अभी यहाँ से रहो तो वो लोग बोलेंगे कि भाई तू बाहर से आया. तो समझ नहीं आती कि करना क्या.
फिल्मी कलियां खिला रहा है.
Now the one thing which happened right now while I was looking back is that idiot bastard, he even didn't give an indicator that he is moving to the left, and I'm already beside him on the left. I know that I was not overtaking him on the left, but the truck driver already gave me a chance to just go and move because he was planning to park at the left side. So the moment I just went, there was already a car who was crossing, so I just had that small space. That's why I was trying to overtake him. That means I just was trying to overtake him simply. But he must have he should have given an left signal so that I would have just stopped right behind him. Idiot bastards, they don't want to give any kind of indication and they just want to take left and right immediately. And that is the only thing why I don't like to ride very fast on highways. The one thing what yesterday one of my friend was doing, the guy who was accompanying me, he was driving like crazy fast. I mean, that's absolutely fine. He has a hold on his bike, he can ride it really fast. I don't mind him riding so fast. Personally, me, I don't like riding in that pace. I was riding almost like 100, 110. So at a moment, I kind of convinced myself that, dude, you can't do that. So it's better to slow down. So I slowed down, and because I slowed down, he had to actually fall behind almost I would say 2 hours. He had to face that 2 hours of difference. Now I understand, like, because of me he had to fall back, but believe me, my intention was not to make him or not to late him up before he reaches his home. I just somehow felt like, he will actually pace down by looking at me, that this guy is not pacing up, so let him. Eventually he is actually convincing me to pace up because we have to reach the destination. I know he is tired, and believe me, the same thing is going to happen to me as well when I will be heading home. He was damn tired, I know that, and that's the only reason why he was trying to pace up, because he just have now few more kilometers to go, right? And I know that he has only few more kilometers to go, but yeah, I mean, that is not how, you're just close, you're so close to your home, and I know you guys actually don't see any kind of light right now. It's totally black, and there are 2 trucks ahead of me. It's blackout, and people are still coming from the wrong side. People feel that ये अपने बाप का रास्ता है, जहाँ चाहिए वहाँ पे गाड़ी चढ़ा दो। क्योंकि हम हैं आरजे और हम यहाँ पे रोज़ रात को बजाते हैं डीजे। वाह वाह भैया, ये तो ऑफ रोडिंग यहीं पे हो गया। मुझे पानी में पैर नहीं लगाना है, अपने को गाड़ी निकालना है। यस, शी कितना गंदा पानी था। एनीवेज, so yeah, I mean, he was so super close to his home, and if anything would have gone wrong with him, by God's grace nothing went wrong. He like kind of rode the bike in a really good speed, so it was not a problem. But ये तो कहाँ गया मैं यार, अभी मेरे को लेफ्ट लेना। अच्छा, आगे से। ओके, he was having a really good hold on his domino, I should say that. Yeah, the moment I touch 50, I am not able to talk because the wind starts to gush in my Hamlet, and I don't know where to take. Like, who is honking? So let's talk. Yeah, he was having a really good hold on his Dominar, so I really appreciate that. But yeah, the way he was riding with the luggage and so pacing up, he's touring. He's been touring from a long time. He has a hold on the road. He has sensed the road. Absolutely, he has rode bike on this road from a long time. So he told me like, I know the roads now very well. Really good to know that. But the thing with me is a little bit different. I cannot ride in that manner. Even if I know how to ride, I will still not ride, because it's not about your confidence on the road. It's never about your confidence about the road. You are always confident about the road. That's why you are damn taking this bike out of your garage and driving it on the road. The only concern for me is we don't know the people beside you on the road who are accompanying you, who are coming from the opposite side, how good they ride. We never know that. So if you are riding really good and the other guy is not riding in a proper way, or he is not riding really good, that's not going to help you guys. He's going to come and crash. So what's the use? You are in a speed. I mean, certainly even if I'm slow and he is pacing up, there can be crash, but slow is sometimes manageable. You can manage sometimes a slower speed rather than on the 100-kilometer speed. I somehow feel like 60 to 70 is the range. 70 to 80 is the range which is kind of controllable speed. Which is kind of a controllable speed. I could have gone over that side. Man, I messed up, but I can still. Because they are going from the wrong side as well. Are they coming on the road? Let's see. Are they coming on? Finally, they are coming on the road. This doesn't make any sense to me. So let's go from here. Because finally they are coming on the road. I thought like there would be some service road stuff like that, but no, don't have any service road. Let's ride. I somehow told myself that I'm not going to ride at night, but I eventually end up riding in the night. I don't know why that damn thing happens to me. And now I have to take a right, which I don't know how to take a right. It's traffic. It's not something I doubt myself. It's something I doubt all the time. because humans are unpredictable, just like animals. Because human is an animal. I don't know what I'm speaking, but I hope that you guys don't listen it. And even if it's getting recorded, then I will just put some music into it. That's it. That's the magic of video recording. That you can do whatever you want to do double, but don't ever give someone a trouble. And don't be yourself a bubble, so that you can burst in the burst in the kamal. And the best thing of video recording is you can just talk. You can just talk with yourself. That's it. This is all I'm recording. I'm recording it for myself, and I feel really good when I'm riding this bike with no load on me. It is so amazing, man. If the trip would have been like this way, damn, I would have just gone into the clouds. That means, I would have, what do you say? I would have driven this bike in a really good manner. Recenter, buddy, recenter. I don't know where to go. I don't know where to go. तौबा मैं क्या करूं? अरे लेफ्ट टर्न है क्या राइट टर्न है? यहाँ से कहाँ जाना है क्या नहीं है? कहाँ है? सब तो ब्लॉक है. अपनी को तो नहीं दिख रहा है, तुमको दिख रहा है तो बताओ, क्योंकि हाय हाय. क्या हो गया इस बाइक को? ऐसे क्यों कर रहा है ये बाइक? इतना धीमा क्यों हो रहा है? तो ये है चाइले में, फिर यहीं से जाता ना, पहले ये जंगल वंगल में लेके जाता है मुझे. आई डोंट इवन लाइक इट, एंड इवेंचुअली इट्स गोइंग टू टेक मी अप, राइट? डैम शिट. देन व्हाई डिडंट आई इवन केम अप एट दैट मोमेंट? Where is this? Andhera कायम रहे. Everyone over here in Rajasthan is a fan. Yeah, this is good. This is good. I can control this bike when I'm driving, when I'm riding like this in mud. Ayo Rama, I don't have a habit of riding this bike in dusty. How am I going to ride this bike in Ladakh? I don't have any idea. Is anyone following me? Please don't follow me because I am an idiot. Is this all getting recorded? No idea. My GoPro sometimes gets hot and shut down automatically. But I somehow see that when you sit, you can control bike a little bit better way. And this kind of roads I'm going to meet in Zojila Pass. This is all going to be sliding down. Oh my. Finally made it. Delhi, 280 kilometers only. Yeah, if you go from Delhi, it would be way more faster than going from. Does make sometimes a sense. Let's see. I will plan out the route tonight. It's already 8 o'clock, which I was planning to sleep by 10 o'clock. I think this is not going to happen, but at least it will be way more better than the last couple of days. And yeah, I just have only 1 hour left for that shopping. Not spend too much. I don't have money to spend too much. I'm totally kangal now. Totally kangal. Because I don't have money to buy any honey. That's why I prefer to eat sugar. क्योंकि ये अपने को मिलता है सस्ता अगर बगल. मगर भैया है कहाँ तू? मुझे दिख तो नहीं रहा है. दिख जाना नहीं ये तू हार के. सिटी के बाहर कौन इतना बड़ा दुकान खोलता है येड़े? सिटी के अंदर तो खोलने का. ये क्या है? कोठारी फार्म हाउस है. अबे हाई किधर? हाई भी तो क्या नहीं. अरे तुम्हारे को किधर को भी ढूंढना, हाय हाय गोडाउन है अबे पूरा खाली है, बंद है, क्या है क्या तो भी बताना भैया, हमको कुछ समझ में नहीं आता। हाय भाई खुला है लगता, चलो अपन निकलते, बाइक का पार्क करते, अंडी कातलॉन में आते, कहीं पे भी पार्क करते हुए भैया। ये लो हाँ, कभी नहीं होने वाला तू, बट अब भी हो गया। Let's go. At least it's good. I record stuff, so at least I come to know. So now I can go. That's awesome. That's alright. What exactly this guy wants to do? No idea. Anyways, whatever it is, do double. Don't give anyone trouble, because giving trouble is not good for your health. And let's go find our home and rest. La 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 la. And I don't know one thing, my rear brakes are not getting applied properly. I don't know why and what's happening. क्या हो रहा है ये, लोग ऐसे ही टर्न क्यों ले रहे हैं? That's called an idiot. इसलिए वहीं जाना था जहाँ मुझे जाना था। सब चलता है यहाँ पे, रॉन्ग साइड से लोग जाते हैं, हम भी जा रहे हैं, रूल तोड़ रहे हैं, नहीं तोड़ रहे, क्यों नहीं तोड़ रहे? बिकॉज सब करते हैं तो हम भी करते हैं। दैट डजंट मीन कि दैट वी आर नॉट ब्रेकिंग रूल, वी आर इंडीड ब्रेकिंग रूल, बट व्हाट टू डू। यहाँ पे सब लोग ऐसे ही करते हैं, भाई रास्ता तो है ही नहीं आने के लिए, करे तो क्या करें। बट ठीक है, हम थोड़ा साइड से जाएंगे, पब्लिक को डिस्टर्ब नहीं करेंगे। और नॉट ओनली दैट, हम पहुँच गए हैं अभी यहाँ, पहुँच गए, इंडिकेशन आ गया TGI एप्पल इन। It's still in a good shape. If you guys have not observed one thing, I'm missing my white cloth from here. What happened is, in the morning, in the afternoon, when I went to a DHL office, some bastard took off that white cloth. I mean really, लोगों को मानना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे, मतलब कुछ नहीं तो वाला वाइट क्लॉथ ही सही, नहीं मिला हमें कुछ तो सफ़ेद कपड़ा ही सही, करे तो करे क्या। Why it's making sound? No idea. So go and get idea. I don't have time for an idea, but that's fine. At least it's working fine. I don't want to rev it up. The one thing what I did last night, I'm not gonna do that, man. That's too much for me. So no more. Ride at a pace which you can control, not Okay. This is done. My poncho is here. Wow, झाड़ू वाड़ू भी उसके अंदर बांध के रखा है. इंजन की गर्मी ना लगे इसलिए लेट्स गो. भैया रेस्टोरेंट कितने बजे बंद हो रहा है? 11 बजे बंद होता है. ठीक है. हाँ 111 GoPro. हाँ कैमरा है. हाँ
क्या रे?
बम्बई. जाना तो बहुत सारी जगह है. इसके आगे
नहीं आमेर नारगढ़ उधर हो क्या है घूमे?
नहीं मैं तो जा रहा हूँ ऊपर जम्मू कश्मीर की तरफ.
जम्मू कश्मीर.
हाँ
जम्मू कश्मीर.
हाँ उसके आगे फिर ले जाऊँगा, फिर ले करके फिर वापस रिटर्न. हाँ
एकदम डाउन
ऊपर ना.
ऊपर ले. अच्छा लद्दाख है वो नीचे तो.
हाँ 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 हाँ.
कौन सी बाइक है सर?
डोमिनर 400.
डोमिनल कितना सीसी इंजन?
400.
400.
हाँ.
डोमिनल कौन सा कंपनी हो गया?
बजाज.
बजाज का.
हाँ KTM तो सुना होगा ना.
हाँ.
तो अभी वो जैसा KTM आया वैसे वो बजाज ने KTM और बजाज ने कोलैबोरेट किया राइट. तो उनकी जो इंजन है अभी बजाज वो इंजन मतलब नॉट उनकी इंजन बट उनका मतलब सारा मैकेनिक्स यूज़ करके अभी वो गाड़ी बना. तो अच्छी है वैसे, भाग लेती है.
आई थिंक राजस्थान में तो नहीं, जयपुर में नहीं है इसका. डोमिनल जो आप बता रहे हैं
बजाज का तो शोरूम होगा ना,
बजाज का तो है.
तो डोमिनर होगा वहाँ पे.
उसी में होगा.
हाँ उसी में होगा. चलिए फिर. एक्चुअली मुझे खाने का पता नहीं था, इन्होंने बताया. कल मैं लेट आया बहुत, तो मुझे खाने के लिए कुछ था नहीं, तो शायद तभी रेस्टोरेंट बंद हो गया था. और शायद उसने तभी मुझे ऐसे कहा कि भाई आप बाहर से मंगा सकते हो करके. मैं तो फुल थका हुआ था, मुझे पता ही नहीं कि यहाँ पे रेस्टोरेंट है. मैं आया कमरे में, मैं ढूंढ के परेशान हो गया. मैं बोला अभी क्या मंगाऊँ, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है. क्योंकि वो मैंने बैग रखा है और उसके बाद कपड़े, तो वो मेन्यू जो है आपका वो कपड़े में. बोला यार इन्होंने कहा कि रेस्टोरेंट है तो मेन्यू तो होना चाहिए रूम में. तब मेरे को दिखा कि यार मेन्यू है. बट वो बोले कि अभी ऑर्डर कर दिया, तो क्या मैंने भी ऑर्डर कर दिया तो क्या करूँ अभी फिर राइट. नहीं पर
पता चला मेरे को कि आप लेट आए थे, आपको कुछ मिला नहीं खाने के लिए तो इसलिए.
हाँ नहीं एब्सोल्युटली थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट. अच्छा मतलब कल रात को उन्होंने आपसे ही बात किया था?
नहीं मॉर्निंग में मालूम चला कि
अच्छा अच्छा ओके कि कल रात को आए थे करके. हाँ कल रात को मैं बहुत लेट आया और उसके पहले भी बहुत लेट आया था. मैं गुजरात में रुका था, तो वहाँ पे मैं 1 o'clock को चेकिंग किया था रात को, और यहाँ पे भी मैंने कल रात को लेट चेकिंग किया. हाँ तो इसलिए मैं सोचा कि आज टुमारो अर्ली मॉर्निंग आई विल लीव. सो मुझे बस ये पूछना था कि बिलिंग तो मतलब मैं जब छूटूंगा तब तभी रहेंगे ना मतलब. अच्छा हाँ ठीक है. मैं मॉर्निंग शायद 5-6 बजे तक निकलने का क्योंकि फिर नहीं मेरा ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं है कल का. हाँ क्योंकि मैं वैसे ही जल्दी निकल रहा हूँ, तो आपका ब्रेकफास्ट 7 बजे होता है और मैं 5 बजे.
अगर कुछ ब्रेकफास्ट है, पैकिंग वगैरह कुछ चाहिए तो आप बता दीजिएगा तो.
बिल्कुल. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दैट. रियली प्लेजर टॉकिंग टू यू सीरियसली.
प्लीज़ एक रिव्यू पोस्ट.
एब्सोल्युटली क्यों नहीं, फॉर श्योर. मैं शूट करने वाला था लेकिन शायद कुछ था क्या यहाँ पे शाम को बहुत.
कुछ फंक्शन था.
हाँ तो तभी मैं जस्ट आया था. आई वॉज काइंड ऑफ लिटिल बिट टायर्ड, सो मैं बोला कि जाने दो, अभी कुछ फंक्शन चल रहा है, लेटर ऑन आई विल जस्ट सी. बट सर्टनली आई विल टैग यू गाइज इन. अपूर्व. प्रेम प्रकाश. नाइस मीटिंग यू. थैंक यू वंस अगेन सर. तू भी भाई, तू भी कुछ कम नहीं है. Nice guy. Really good to talk to him.